Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday, 13th July 2020. And before starting today's lesson, let's review what was the diary on Friday and what was your homework. On Friday, I gave you some of the verbs to use in sentences. We were reading the poem Playtime. हमने Playtime poem read की थी और इसका ये हमारे पास question था जो Friday को हमने as class work attempt किया था. Find at least 10 verbs in the poem and use them as sentences of your own. So 6 were done as class work and rest of the 4 was given to you as homework. Alright, so ये हमारे जो notes हैं हमारे ये जो Smart School का जो app है उस पर upload हुए हैं और आप sure आपने वहाँ से इसको complete कर लिया होगा. This was the classwork. Alright, 6 were done as classwork and rest of the 4 जो थे वो आपका homework था. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं we have used fought. We fought the beast with the beast all with all our might, returned, made, guarded. So these are the verbs जिनको हमने sentences में use किया है. आप कोई से भी choose कर सकते हैं. It's not necessary आप इन्हीं के sentences बनाएं. आप कोई से भी verbs choose कर सकते हैं. हमने highlight भी किए थे different verbs in the poem. He returned home yesterday. We made a sand castle. So that's how you will complete all of the homework. I'm sure आप सबने complete कर लिया होगा इसको. Alright, now let's begin today's topic. Alright, today we are going to learn about adjectives. That what are adjectives? Before this we have discussed noun and verb. इससे पहले हमने noun and verb का topic discuss किया था. So let's recall them as well. Noun is a naming word. Noun is the name of a place, person, thing or animal. For example, car, pen, boy, school, home, right? So these are the name of different things, person, people. So these are naming words. So these are called nouns. And verbs. Verbs are action words, doing words. For example, जब आप कोई काम करते हैं, like you write, read, drink, walk, right, wave, jump. So these are the examples of verb. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. For example, if a word describes a noun, we call that word adjective. Adjectives वो word हैं जो noun को describe करते हैं, किसी name को describe करते हैं. For example, if we say that she is a beautiful girl. Girl is a noun and beautiful is adjective. So for this one, let me show you this one flashcard. I hope it will help you to learn this. It will make it easier for you. Let's take a look at these examples. Beautiful dress. Beautiful is the adjective and dress is a noun because noun ड्रेस जो है वो नाउन है जिसको हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है ये एडजेक्टिव कि वो ड्रेस कैसा. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ द ड्रेस इज़ रफ, इफ़ द ड्रेस इज़ worn out, इफ़ द ड्रेस इज़ नॉट टाइडी, इट्स नॉट क्लीन, इट्स डर्टी, दैट यहाँ पे हम ब्यूटीफुल की को रिप्लेस करेंगे डर्टी के साथ. सो इट मीन्स कि ड्रेस है जो एक नाउन है और उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है ब्यूटीफुल, कि उस नाउन के बारे में जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो हमें हेल्प कर रहा है उस नाउन को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. दैट वर्ड इज़ कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. सो एन एडजेक्टिव इज़ अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. एन एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन. लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. लेज़ी बॉय. Lazy, it is written with red ink. आप देख सकते हैं, you can see that. Lazy is adjective and what is the noun here? Yes, absolutely. Boy is the noun and lazy is adjective because adjective is a describing word and it describes a noun. So boy is a noun and lazy is adjective. Tiny ants. What is the noun here? Ants. Yes, ants is a noun and tiny is adjective. Tiny means small, little. Friendly person. Person is the noun and friendly is adjective. All the adjectives are mentioned with red ink. You see here. Red car. Car. Car is a thing. Yes, because it's a noun. And red. Red is the adjective. Why is an adjective? Because red car का वो color है जो उस noun को describe करे. For example, if the car is old, if the car is new, if the car is black, if the car is big, So these are the adjectives and they are describing a noun, car. Sunny, day. Day is the noun and sunny is the adjective because this word sunny is describing a noun, day. 2, burger. यहाँ पे बर्गर एक नाउन है और उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है 2 बिकॉज यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि नंबर क्या है उन बर्गर्स का. सो यहाँ पे भी ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. ग्रीन ग्रास. ग्रास इज़ द नाउन एंड ग्रीन इज़ एडजेक्टिव. सो एडजेक्टिव्स आर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स, दे डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन. विंडी डे. यहाँ पे हमने देखा पहले एग्जाम्पल में था सनी डे एंड देन विंडी डे. सो डे को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए डिफरेंट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स यूज़ हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंट एडजेक्टिव्स यूज़ हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल रेनी डे, विंडी डे, सनी डे, या राइट, स्नोवी डे. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट एडजेक्टिव्स यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द नाउन डे. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द लिस्ट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव and these are the nouns because adjective describes a noun. So adjectives are called describing words. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये examples थे adjectives के जो हमने देखे. So I want you to open up your textbook. Alright, let's take out. Alright, if you are having any highlighter or any coloring pencil, you can highlight the definition of adjective as well. First of all, write down the day, Monday, 13th July 2020. Alright, then put an arrow. Let me show you closely. Put an arrow the way you see here in the video. Describing words. Adjectives are describing words. Do you remember what we learned about adjectives? Adjectives tell us something about a noun. For example, अभी आपने देखा हमने कितने सारे noun देखे थे यहाँ पे. Yes, यहाँ पे ये सब noun की लिस्ट है और इन noun को कौन describe कर रहे हैं? ये adjectives. ये adjectives जो हैं ये noun को describe कर रहे हैं. So it means that adjectives are describing words which describe a noun. Now let's take a look at the example. The golden apple hung from the branch. Golden tells us about the apple. It's an adjective. So please highlight golden because that's an adjective. And what is the noun here? Alright, that's correct. Apple is the noun. It is denoted by an, and golden is adjective. It is denoted by ADJ. Now let's read the statement. Underline the adjectives in these lines from the poem. आपको यहाँ पे poem से related कुछ lines दी हुई हैं and you are asked to underline adjectives. A, B, C. Let me read these to you. The mad beast was asleep. I crept past the twisted bushes. Happily we munched on the big tasty apples. Alright, so let's mark adjectives here. Alright, here you see mad because beast is the noun and mad is adjective. Twisted is adjective and bushes is the noun. And in C, big, tasty. Big and tasty, there are two adjectives in sentence C, and apple is the noun. Apple is the noun, here bushes is the noun, and here beast is the noun. So what are adjectives? Adjectives tell us something about a noun. कि वो जो noun है उसकी क्या quality है, उसको describe करता है, उसको बताता है कि वो किस तरह से है. So that's why we call adjectives describing words. Alright, so let's attempt question number 3. Add suitable adjectives to the following using the letters given. यहाँ पे हमसे कहा जा रहा है कि आपने जो blanks हैं उनको fill करना है with suitable adjectives के साथ, और आपको starting letters दिए हुए हैं कि वो adjectives किन letter से start होंगे. For example, यहाँ पे E है, C, B, U, T. So यहाँ पे हमने इसको fill up करना है. So let's see how can we put some suitable adjectives. Mango, an dash mango, an E, you know E is a vowel, so the words which begin with the letter E or vowel we put an before them. An is an article. An edible mango, E-D-I-B-L-E, edible mango. B, a cute kitten, a cute kitten. C is given, kitten is the noun. Here mango is the noun. You see noun यहाँ पे दिए हुए और हम adjectives को write कर रहे हैं because Adjective describes a noun. C. An dash actress. A is given. Again, A is a vowel, so that's why an is here. An is the article, and we put articles, the words which begin with a vowel. An amazing actress. AMAZING. Amazing actress. A dash ladder. Ladder is, आपको पता है लेडर एक स्टेयर है जिसको हम सीढ़ी बोलते हैं, हमारे होम्स में अक्सर होती है, लेबर भी उसको यूज़ करते हैं. अ डैश लेडर, अ बिग लेडर और अ ब्रोकन लेडर. E. A dash salesman. Salesman is a person who sells something. So a terrible salesman, because T is given, so हमें वही word write करना है जो beginning हो उस letter से. For example, T हमें दिया, so we have to put terrible. An dash duckling. An is given, so यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा word आएगा जो vowel से begin होगा. So an ugly duckling. UGLY, ugly duckling. So let me recap. An edible mango, a cute kitten, an amazing actress, a broken ladder, a terrible salesman, and ugly duckling. So this is all about adjective here. Now let's practice adjective some more. Alright, for this one, let me show you this one flashcard. Alright, you see there are 3 columns: noun, verb, adjective. A noun is a person, animal, place, thing. Verb, a verb is an action or doing word. Adjective, an adjective are describing word. It describes size, shape, color, feelings, and personality of noun. So these are, 3 parts of speech: noun, verb, and adjective. So what we are going to do now, we are going to write some of the examples of verb and noun, because we are going to identify verb, noun, and adjective. So verb is an action word. As you know, verb is an action word. So let's write some of the example of verb. Alright, for example, let me take some another marker, it's not working properly. Alright, for example, fly. Alright, fly, drive, take. Alright, now it's your turn. You please give me some of the examples. Alright, write, that's correct. Write, cook. Fantastic. Noun, home. Yes, because home is the name of a place. Book. Book is the name of a thing. Noun is a naming word. Alright. Uncle. That's correct. Now it's your turn. Please give me some examples. Think about a noun. Dog. Yes. Dog is the name of an animal. And then, think about, yes, think about something else. Alright, school. It's the name of a place. School, shop, bank. Adjective. Now let's write some adjectives. Good. That's right. Very good. Thin. Thin is an adjective. Right. Big. Think about some more adjectives. Hot. Excuse me. Yes, cold. That's correct. So here we have a list: noun, verb, and adjectives. हमने यहाँ पे identify किया है noun, verb, and adjectives. Alright. So now let's move to our workbooks. Alright, students, open up your workbook, page number 12, and I want you to write down day, excuse me, Monday, on the top left corner, 13th July 2020. Now what we're going to do here, we are going to sort out verb, noun, adjectives. We are given a passage here and we are asked to sort out adjectives, noun, and verbs. What we're going to do here, we are going to use different coloring pencil. You can use any of the colors. It's not necessary कि आप भी blue, yellow और green use करें. आप कोई से भी colors use कर सकते हैं. So let's read the statement first. Read the passage, pay careful attention to the underlined words. आपने ये passage read करना है और जो words underline किए हुए हैं आपने उनको carefully attention देना है. So let me read the passage to you. The boy is sitting on an old box. He is reading a book. There's a fierce tiger behind the tree. The boy is looking at the pictures in the book. He cannot see the tiger. The tiger's long tail is up in the air. You see a tiger? You see a boy is reading a book? Yes, he's looking the pictures in the book. So, you see all the some of the words are underlined and यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं. Write noun, verb or adjective for each word marked in the passage. Passage में जो word underline किए हैं इनमें से हर एक के आगे आप देख सकते हैं. Let me show you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H write किया हुआ है. So these are the spaces given to us. यहाँ पे हमें उसको solve करने के लिए spaces दिए. For example, A, B. So ये यहाँ पे हम इनको write करेंगे. अब हमें इस पैसेज में से सॉर्ट आउट करना है नाउन, वर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव. जहाँ पे हमें नाउन मिलेंगे वी विल कलर द नाउन ग्रीन. जहाँ पे वर्ब मिलेंगे वी विल कलर द वर्ब्स येलो एंड वी विल कलर एडजेक्टिव्स इन द पैसेज ब्लू. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट? ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स read the word A. Old. So what is it? Is it a noun, verb or adjective? Alright, it's an adjective. Old is an adjective. Reading. Reading is a verb. So let's color it yellow because we have made a key. हमने यहाँ पे एक key बना ली है. Verb को हमने क्या color करना है? Yellow. Then fierce. Fierce is adjective. Fierce mean furious, very horrible. Tree. Tree is a noun because it's a name of a thing. Tree एक चीज़ का name है, right? Looking. Looking is a verb because ये action word है, doing word है, so we will use yellow color for the verb. Pictures. Picture is the name of a thing. किसी चीज़ का name है, so that's why हमने क्या की बनाई है? Noun के लिए हम green color use करें. Again, see. See is a verb. So we are going to color the verb yellow. Long. Long is adjective because it's describing a noun. Tail is a noun. Tail is the name of a thing. And long is adjective. यहाँ पे old जो है, box is a noun and old is describing this noun. So that's why old is an adjective. So that's how we will color all the underlined word. और हमने उसको color कर लिया. Now we are going to write A. A is adjective. So we will write adjective in the space. B. B is a verb. So B, verb. C. C, fierce. C, adjective. D. Tree is a noun. So we will write noun here. E. Looking. Looking is a verb. So यहाँ पे हम write करेंगे verb. F. What is on F? Noun. F. Noun. Picture is a noun. C. G. C is a verb. So we will write verb here. H. Long. Adjective. So that's how we will fill up the spaces by writing the correct and identified parts of speech. Alright, so that's how you will do it. And now it's time to look at the diary. So what's the diary today? Alright, today's diary is complete workbook page number 12, A3, B, C as homework. आपने page number 12, you see page number 12, A3. This part is your homework and how will you do this? Let me explain you. Write sentences for each picture on page number 13. Use an adjective, a noun and a verb as shown in the example. Example, the big vase fell on the floor. Alright, the big vase fell on the floor. यहाँ पे आपको pictures दी हुई हैं और आपने इन picture में हर एक picture में आपने use करना है noun, verb and adjective और आपने उसको एक sentence बनाना है with the help of these pictures. A, this is the picture A and you will write the sentence here for picture A. And this is the picture B, you see. Let me show you closely. And you will make a sentence here on B, and this is the picture C, and you will make a sentence related to this picture by using a noun, verb and adjective, and you will write here in this given space. So sentence A is, the big vase fell on the floor. You see this girl is surprised and something broken is, you see something broken is lying on the floor. So you will make a sentence, the big vase fell on the floor. So big is the adjective here. आप इसे highlight करेंगे. Vase is the noun, fell is the verb. So यहाँ पे इस sentence में हमारे पास big adjective भी आ गया, vase noun भी use हुआ, and fell verb भी use हुआ. Alright, so that's how you will write sentences here. और हर sentence में यहाँ पे हमारे पास adjective, noun और verb होना चाहिए. Alright, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, in this picture you see a thief. एक thief है, एक चोर है, and he's trying to run away from the window, and a dog is barking at him and he's pulling his leg. He's trying to bite him. So यहाँ पे thief is a noun, face dog, and biting is the verb. And you see what's on picture C. Picture C, you can see an old lady. She's sitting on armchair. Old is adjective, lady is the noun, and sitting is the verb. So यहाँ पे noun, adjective and verb तीनों sentences में use होंगे with the help of these pictures and the example sentence. You will complete your homework. So thank you very much for watching the video. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.